Welcome, I hope you're all keeping well. Today we are looking at the Vax Airlift 2 PET corded upright vacuum cleaner. After watching this video, if you want to pick this up, I will leave a link in the description box below. Before we start, if you find this video helpful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section, and please do subscribe to watch more reviews. Instruction booklet. So you get 2 years guarantee with this. There's a leaflet inside saying register your product to receive 12 months free additional warranty. A 3-in-1 tool, dusting brush, upholstery tool on this side, and then a crevice tool. Just push that forward. They call this the turbo tool. This will be good for car footwells, your stairs, pet bedding. They call this textile tool. Some litter pickers there. That's the handle. It says pet on there. So at the front we have some branding, built-in light, the roller brush is at the front. Big rubber wheels at the back. We have some felt strips there. That's a stiff brush, that will be good on carpet. Then a roller brush, that will be good on hard floor and on carpet, and it'll be really good for picking up larger particles. The brush bar and the roller can be removed for further cleaning. You put a coin in, twist it towards the lock-off position, pull it out, and then if you're cleaning the brush bar, just cut the hair off, put it back in, and then twist it towards the lock position. If you want to do any above floor cleaning or clean your car, you'll have to remove this pipe first. The tool will attach directly, or if you want to further your reach, you could remove the wand, place the pipe in the wand, then attach the tool at the end of the wand. The pipe goes back in its place. You'll hear a click. On this side we get a 9-meter cord, 2 quick release hooks, one at the top and one at the bottom. That's for tool storage. So you get this 3-in-1 tool, it will sit in there. Just thought I'll quickly point out, number 27, the tough brush attachment is not included in this model. There's one model above this that's included in that. This comes with the rest of the tools which I have already showed you. It's still listed in the manual because of course this manual is used in the other cleaner as well. So we have some buttons here. That one's on off. This one is for brush bar on off. That one is to release the pod. This one is to remove the dust container when you want to empty the bin or get to your filters. And then this one at the back, that's to release the wand. So the only assembly that's required, we need to put the wand into its place. That will only go in one way. And then to release it, we push this button here and pull it up. There's a max line there. This has a 1.5 litre capacity dust container. We have the post motor filter down here. To access that, we just twist it. It even lets us know that lock on and lock off. So twist that will come off. Then we just pull the filter up. Vax recommend do not wash this filter. This should last you around maybe 6 months if you use your cleaner a lot. It even says there do not wash. Once this is dirty, you just get a spare one from Vax's website or Amazon or eBay. That just sits back in there. To empty the dust container, we just push this. It's got some information at the back there. It's letting us know we need to wash this filter every 3 months, or depending on your use. If you use it a lot more, just check it a lot sooner than that. Wash it at 40 degrees Celsius max, and then let it dry for 24 hours, and then you put it back in, and it says replace it after every 9 to 12 months. To gain access to the pre-motor filter, we need to push this button here and push this upwards at the same time. And we have access to the filter. It's got that extra piece there. That's what it looks like from inside. And when you take that out, tap it first, then wash it and give it a good squeeze. And as it said on there, let it dry for 24 hours and then put it back in. Actually, we could remove the shroud as well to give that a further clean. You could clean all this as well. It's got that extra part there. The bin has a cut out there that just drops in there. That just sits back on there. And that just sits back on the unit. Okay, I've put down some lentils, some loose tea and some cornflakes. I will be putting the same stuff down on the carpet. As for the brush bar, I will be leaving that on as recommended. The brush bar, you should turn that off if you have delicate flooring. This isn't delicate flooring, so I should be okay with brush bar on. That certainly did well. It's only brought back 2 little lentils. So here I have turned the brush bar off just to show you what it performs like. Notice how the light has gone off as well when the brush bar has gone off on the roller brush. That has performed really well. Just one concern though, it's a bit difficult to push. I'll just show you the bin. It's picked up fibres as well from the carpet. There you go, my friends, that was the Vax Airlift 2. In my opinion, it's a decent cleaner. It cleans really well, as you've seen. I like the cord length. I like the lift away feature. It makes cleaning your stairs and your car easy. It comes with a decent amount of tools for the price. Now, a couple of things to mention. If you're elderly or if you have any problems with your hands and arms, do not get this cleaner. It's heavy, first of all. Secondly, it's difficult to push on thick pile carpet, because when I was pushing it on the thick pile carpet, when I was pushing it forward, it was difficult. When I was pushing it back, it was slightly easier, but still it is heavy. I would have liked to see Vax include a suction control. So that's my opinion. If you have this cleaner or if you have the previous model, let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are. If you want to pick it up, I will link it in the description box below. I hope this video was helpful to someone. If it was, give it a like. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below, and please do subscribe to watch more reviews. Stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.